welcome back to another video. I hope that you guys are having a blessed day. If you don't know me, my name is Terry and I would love to have you as a part of my crew. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you are aware every time I upload a new video. So today we are doing another Valentine's Day look, as you can see. I can't wait for you guys to see how I achieve this look. I really enjoyed filming this. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, first we're going to take this Physicians Formula Vitamin C stick and we're going to apply it to the dark areas underneath my eyes and on my cheeks. And then we're going to take this hyaluronic acid serum and we're going to apply a few drops onto the face, and then we're going to gently massage them in. Okay, now it's time to make sure our shadow will be locked and loaded. We're taking this e.l.f. Shadow Lock Primer and we're going to apply it all over the top of the lids, and then we are going to press it in with our fingers. Going into the Morphe Boss Mood Artistry palette, we're going to take the color Transformer and the M441 brush and we're going to apply it to the crease and blend it out. Now going in with the shade Grape Expectations, we're going to apply it into the crease and blending it down over the lid. Now we're going to go in with this flat brush and the L.A. Conceal in the color Porcelain, and we're going to apply a pretty cut crease. Remember ladies, you do want to take your time on this part to make sure that your cut crease is very smooth and defined. Going in the James Charles Morphe palette, we're going to take the color Single and we're going to pat it on the top of the cut crease. Now we're going to take the M506 brush again with the color Transformer already on it, and we're going to blend out that cut crease. Going in with the e.l.f. Stardust Liner in the color Silver, we are going to outline our wing liner for a glitter wing. Now I'm going to take the e.l.f. glitter glue and then the silver glitter, and we're going to apply it where we outline that wing liner. Taking the Maybelline Master Precise Black Liner, we're going to outline
where we just applied the glitter wing just for a little more definition. Okay, ladies, y'all know it's my favorite time, lash time, but first we're going to remove these strip tapes, and then we're going to apply the 811 Ardell lashes, and voila! Okay, now we know a great foundation needs a great face, so we're going to take this Benefit Cosmetics Porefessional Primer, and we're going to apply it gently, massaging it in and patting it in the areas that need it most. Okay, now we're going to add a few drops of the e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer, and we're going to gently massage it in. Now going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in the color 210, we're going to apply it all over our face, including our chin area and our neck if necessary. Now we're going to take a wet beauty sponge and spray it with the Mario Badescu rosewater spray, and then we're going to blend out that foundation. Now going in with the L.A. Pro Girl Conceal in the color Pure Beige, we're going to highlight underneath our eyes, the bridge of our nose, the top of our forehead, our cupid's bow, and underneath our bottom lip, and then we're going to take that wet beauty sponge again and we're going to blend it out. This next step, we're in for a real treat. I fell in love with this foundation stick by Black Radiance in the color Cocoa Bean. We're going to apply it right on the cheeks, on the bridge of the nose, and around the perimeter of the face. And then we're going to take the MUA multi-purpose brush and blend it out over the face, and the Morphe M173 brush and blend it over the nose. Going in with the L.A. Pro Girl Conceal in the color Pure Beige again, we're going to highlight our contour and then blend it out with a beauty sponge. Time to bake this face with the NK Perfection setting powder in the color Banana. We're going to place it everywhere that we placed our highlight, and then we're going to let it bake for 5 minutes and then sweep away with the face brush. Going in with this Wet n Wild eye pencil in the color White, we're going to apply it to our waterline, and then we're going to go back into the Morphe palette with the color Grape Expectations, and we're going to apply it right underneath our eye. Now to set our contour, we're going into the City Color Contour Effects 2 palette with the contouring powder, and we're going to place it right over where we placed our contour. Now we're going to take this L.A. Colors Bold Lash Mascara and we're going to apply it to the bottom lashes. Now before our glow up situation, we're going to set our makeup with this e.l.f. Matte Magic Spray by spraying it all over. And then it's highlight time, honey. We're going to take this Crayon Case highlighting powder in the color Anglowla, and we're going to apply it to our cheekbones, the bridge of our nose, our cupid's bow, our brow bone, and the inner corners of our eyes. Now we're taking this Wet n Wild lip pencil in the color dark brown, and we're going to outline our lips and smudge it out. And then we're going to take the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the color Dessert first, and we're going to apply it all over our lips. Okay, ladies, we are finally finished with this Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming this for you. I had a lot of fun while doing so. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. Please don't forget to subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.